So my gearbox earth strap failed. The actual eyelet fell off. It's similar to this one. This one's still kind of clinging on there. So I've not really had a chance to use this tool, which is used to basically punch down on the eyelets. I've got a whole load of eyelets here. This one is going to work for an M6 by 1.0 10mm bolt, so we'll just use that one. So lift this up, place it in there. See how the little punch bit of it is there? So that's like that around the other side. And then all you do is twist this in like so, and just give it a whack with the club hammer. So this is the setup. I'm just going to push that in further and just smack it with the hammer. Right, here we go. Move that out of here. Oof. Oh, I like that. Didn't realise it put a cross on it as well. That is nice.